In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Canva Android smartphone mobile app. If your Canva mobile app is misbehaving, it is not working, it is not responding, or you are experiencing an error whenever you try to open it, then this tutorial should help you solve that issue. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and look for settings. And here is the settings. Now, for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be more or less the same on any Android smartphone. So go ahead and open settings. And from here, look for the function called apps and tap on it. Now here, look for manage apps and open it to open all the apps that are on your smartphone. Then scroll down and look for Canva. Once you identify or you locate it, tap on it to open. Now we have the app data here, but if you go to storage, you'll find that the app has quite a number of data. And what we are interested in first is to clear cache. And to do so, just tap on this clear data. And we have the clear cache option. This is what we are interested in. We have to clear all data and clear cache. Go ahead and select the clear cache option and then OK. And now you can see the cache has been cleared to 0. Now you may want to go ahead and restart your smartphone and try to open your Canva mobile app, and it should just work fine. But should you still experience a challenge with your app, then you may want to go ahead and go back to storage, or just come back here and look for the clear data option. Instead of clearing cache, go ahead and clear data. This will erase all the details, for instance, the login details that you have on your mobile app. And if you're okay with that, tap on OK. Then go ahead and try to open the data and see if it is working fine. But should you find that you're still experiencing a challenge with your Canva mobile app, then you may want to go and uninstall the app completely from your smartphone. And to do that, you can long press on your app and then choose the uninstall function. Then once you have uninstalled it, go and look for it in Play Store, search for the app again, and then install it afresh. So by following any of those steps, you will be able to fix any error or any issue with your Canva mobile or Android app. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.